Backup and restore are the two vulnerable parts of Tally ERP9 GST, though it's not just a part of Tally ERP9 with GST. Rather, it was there right through the beginning of Tally making. So, backup means you are taking a backup of the company, and restore means you are just restoring the data elsewhere in a different machine, in a different location. How to implement that, or where you will get the backup and restore operation. Before starting into that, we must have a pen drive already inserted in the machine. That will be the location where the backup file will be get stored first. Now we have just chosen a company called Rustam Construction, where I'm just choosing the company information part. Okay, F3. There we will get the section called backup and restore. Okay, this is the portion backup. That means whenever you double click or just open it, you will get the source location from where the company data will be get backed up, and after that the destination. That's very crucial. The source data is already given: C colon, users, public, tally, ERP9, and then data. That's the proper location, but the destination is not properly set. In order to set the destination, we must know the location of our pen drive. Here is the location that is called G drive, and under that the directory is backup. Okay, now I'm just setting the destination path, that is G colon backslash backup. Now, if I press enter, it will show the list of companies uh, through which we should choose the companies to backup. I'm just choosing, say, Avinav Construction, and then BOM, and finally mygst.com. These are the three companies that I have just chosen for backing up. Finally, end of list. It will just ask everybody for a confirmation to backup. That means accept. If we just press enter, the companies are backed up. Once the companies are backed up, we should go through the location of that area. That is the backup section of the pen drive. Well, three encrypted data codes are already there. Now, how I should restore that in the same machine? It is rather backed up into the zone of pen drive, and if I wish, I can actually restore that in a separate logical partition area, say D drive. Here in D drive, I'm just creating a new folder called restore. And in order to restore the files, we need to click on the restore option from company information. It will just ask about the destination folder and of course the source folder. Fortunately, the source folder is taken into account, that is G colon backslash backup. So the destination path should be reassessed. That will be D colon backslash restore. Okay. Now, once it is chosen, only three companies will be available because these are the companies already backed up. We must select the companies one after another for restoring. Once the operation is done, now end of list, once again a confirmation message will be there on the screen. If I just press enter, it is get restored. Now the question is, how should we get the restored files? Under D drive, that is the restored area, so the companies are there. That means the data part of the companies are already created. In order to get the details of the companies from the restored area, what we have to do, we need to open a company. That means we need to select a company, but the list of companies are already there. That means this list is actually the default list of companies, but I don't need the default path. Rather, I want to change the path, or the path is already set. In order to do, in order to set that path, I have to press backspace. This is the path, but I want to change the path. That's why d colon backslash restore will be the location. Now, what I am getting only the three companies that I have recently backed up and finally restored. From there, I can choose the mygst.com or any company that I wish to open. So this is the mechanism by which I have to back up and restore all the companies from a different path of the same machine. So three companies at a go are actually opened.